This topic is going to take a little bit more time because we have to graph each triangle and decide if it's a right triangle or not. The only way to have a right triangle is if you have a 90-degree angle. And to have a right 90-degree angle, you need two sides that are perpendicular, which means they form a right angle. So you graph it, and then you have to prove if it has a right angle or not. So this first one they graphed, it looks like JKL is a right angle. So that's the one you're going to check. They check them all, but I think that's ridiculous because these don't look like right angles at all. So I would only find the slope of JK, which is 3/2, and find the slope of KL, which is -1. In order to be 90 degrees, they have to be opposite reciprocals. If this was -2/3, then it would be a right triangle because that would be 90 degrees. So this one's not a right triangle. The second one, when they graph it, see, you just kind of look, what do you think is the right angle? So I'm only going to look at RT or TR, which is -3, and RI, which is a positive 1/3. These are opposite reciprocals, so yes, this is a right triangle. There's your right angle. See, they didn't even need to do the slope of TI. And then this triangle, same thing. I would just look at PQ and QR. And look, it is not a, wait, it is? Wait a minute. PQ, 23rd halves, QR is -4/5. Wait, PR. Oh, I meant PR. Whoops, we're not doing, wait, what am I? Oh, we're not doing QR. Wait, -4/5. We're not looking at PQ. We didn't want to look at that one. So these two, yeah, this is a right triangle. So question, do we actually have to graph them? Maybe we don't have to graph them because we could just find the slopes between them all. Okay. Well, it'd be nice if they let us graph them. Maybe they have a graph there just for help, for scratch paper. Oh, they don't. Okay. So we might want to find the slope of all of them. That's fine. So we have the slope. We need to find PQ, QR, and the slope of PR. Okay, those will be all of them. So P and Q. Okay, first of all, you have to remember that it's the slope is y⁻² minus y⁻1 divided by x⁻² minus x⁻1. Now I am going to assume that you know how to do this really well. Just remember, you take the second y, so we're looking at Q, so we do 8 minus 6. So you do the second y minus the first y. This can first be the only time I'm going to go over this really, really carefully. 5 minus a -3 is 8, so this is 1/4. Then we look at QR. So I take the second y, so 10 minus 8 is 2. And the -5 minus 5 is -10, so that's a -1/5. And then PR, this is my second point, so 10 minus 6 is 4. And then -5 minus a -3. So -5 plus 3, -2. So this is a -2. Well, none of these are reciprocals because negative reciprocals. Okay, so this would be a -4. Did I do that right? 10 minus 6 is 4. -5 plus 3 is -2. Okay, so I'm going to say not a right triangle. Wait, why does it say cannot be determined? It tells us that they are all triangles. Why would it not be determined? Oh boy, I hope I don't have one like that. Okay, so then, how do I'll just clear all drawings. Hopefully you have the formula for slope. Okay, so these ones we're going to do TR, RI, and then TI. So TR, 5 minus 1 is 4. -9 minus 5 is what's 9 and 5? 14. So that's a -2/7. RI, 12 minus 5 is 7. Oh, this would be cool. This is 2. -7 minus -9 is +2. 7/2. Okay, these are opposite reciprocals. This is a right triangle. I don't even have to do the third. Okay, then the last one, I'm going to do JK, KL, and JL. So JK, 0 minus 4 is -4 divided by -9. negative 10 plus 4. What's negative 10 plus 4? Negative 6. So that's a positive 2/3. KL, negative 10 minus 0, negative 10, negative 2, minus a negative 10. So negative 2 plus 10 is negative 2 plus 10. Just a minute. It's the same thing as 10 minus 2 is 8. So that's a negative 5/4. JL, negative 10 minus 4 is negative 14. I have a feeling it's not going to work. Negative 2 plus 4 is 2. So that's a negative 7. Nope. I'm going to say not a right triangle. And okay, there we go. All right, look, I don't want to do a whole bunch of these because then my video is going to be super long. So maybe I'll just do one more and we'll go super quick. But I do like to write them down because I don't want to hold all this in my head. My head has other important things to keep in there. Okay, so AB, negative 6 plus 4, negative 2, 4 minus 8, negative 4, positive 1/2. BC, negative 10 plus 6 is what? Negative 4 over 11 minus 4, was that 7? 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 minus 4 is 7, so negative 4/7. AC, negative 10 plus 4, negative 6. 11 minus 8 is 3. Negative 2. Look at that. These ones are opposite reciprocals, so yes, it's a right triangle. Yay! I love finding right triangles. Okay, the second. Very quick. I don't want to be here. I don't want you guys to have to watch this forever. You can speed up. Can you speed up these? That'd be cool if you could. Okay, so negative 3 minus 3 is negative 6. Negative 4 minus 6 is negative 10. A positive 3/5. QR 7 plus 3. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 over negative 10 plus 4, negative 6 is a negative 5/3. Wait a minute. 3/5 opposite. Okay, yes, that's a right triangle. Fun. I bet you anything the last one's not. Should I just guess? No, I don't want to. Okay, so DE, let's do it really quick. EF and DF. And DF, finding the slope. So DE, 7 minus 5 is 2. Negative 12 minus 0 is negative 12. So negative 1/6. EF. Negative 1 minus 7 is negative 8. Negative 8 plus 12 is 4. Negative 2. Okay, DF. Negative 1 minus 5, negative 6. And negative 8 minus 0, negative 8. Positive 3/4. So no. See, I could have guessed and gotten it right, but I wouldn't recommend that. Okay, we're going to go ahead and, oh, what did I do? We're going to end the lesson. Oh my goodness. And then, yeah. So hopefully this helped. End of the lesson.